He served as the first vice president and second president of India. He was born on September 5, 1888 in Tirupati, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Sitama. Radhakrishnan was a brilliant student since his childhood. He completed his graduation and post-graduation from Madras Christian College. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954 by the Indian government. His birthday day is celebrated every year as Teachers' Day in India. He took his last breath